Let's continue this, everybody. As we started off before, I'm Ronnie G10, and we're going to make an episode 2 of Saints Row 3. Let's finish this. Last time we left off when I fell out the airplane. And, okay, I gotta catch her. Oh, who the freak is this crap? Look at you. I thought you were one of my friends. Oh, shoot. You wanna play that game, huh? Oh, shoot. Heh, flying cars. A wind space. Crap. Yeah, I killed you. See ya, wouldn't wanna be ya. Hold up. You ain't surviving. Neither are you. Shoot. I worked my butt off. Oh, heck no. See ya. Oh, wait, you guys didn't explode? What the freak? That is... Oh, but he exploded, though. And the guy's, like, right next to the explosion. I gotta save her. No, ow, what the freak? That hurts. Oh, shoot. The freak? I'm confused. She fell out, too. I have to save her. Ow. I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Oh, I thought I was gonna die. Just keep going straight. I see her. Oh, shoot. I see her. I got you. Yeah. Woohoo. Like a boss, bro. Like a freaking boss. No, wait, but Johnny's still in there. No. Why are we just looking at each other like, what's there to look at? We're just looking at them. What? Boo. What's up? Oh, shoot. I dropped her, didn't I? She's dead. I killed her. Well, what the freak? This is a glitch. What the freak is going on? Ah, what did I do? I jacked up. What the freak?